I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a store loyalty card to your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Apple Wallet. And if I scroll all the way down, as you can see, I have a few different store cards, like Chipotle specifically is a store card. That's what we're going to add, and they're going to be in this section below all of our credit cards. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the top. So once you click the plus button, you'll have all of these options, and typically at the very bottom, from apps on your iPhone is going to be where you find your store cards. I have Chipotle already in here. That's where that would pop up. So let's use Bybit as an example. I'll tap here on Bybit, and then I'm going to log into whatever app that it requires me to, log into to add that store card. There will be specific on-screen prompts that are different for every app that you use. Typically, it will just be a login, and then would you like to add this to your Apple Wallet? You will click continue and confirm, and then your particular store cards will be stored at the very bottom of your Apple Wallet, and you can use those anytime you go to a store, typically just by double clicking the lock button and then scrolling through the actual cards that are on your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.